and we keep on making music in real time for you guys' enjoyment and of course for you guys to learn some cool music production trick. I explain to you simply the concept of a show. I make this project with you, you hear what I am doing and see what I'm doing in a producer POV, and I package this as a Logic Pro X template, put it on our site wemake-dance-music.com along 5,000 other DAW templates, and you can get it for only $5. There's another 100 episode that I've done previously, check it out. If you like music production stuff, smash that like button, guys, and this is it. Today we're gonna make the music I love, which is really any music because I love making music. I mean, who wouldn't? And we're gonna make some deep progressive, 120 BPM, intricate, smooth, melodic, a bit melancholic, maybe, a bit like something not too energetic, something more in the Anjunadeep style, So let's get started, guys. So what I've done in a few minutes earlier is I made like a very simple beat that I'll play to you guys. If you hear some noise and stuff, it's my son that's very happy, and he's only 2.5 years old, so he's jumping everywhere. So let's hear the beat. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put it here. Oh, that's a bit loud for those. Super basic. I usually use only Logic plugins. For this time I make a little exception. I'm gonna use Silent. It's my favorite synth. It's like back in the day it was a Supernova. A lot of people with Virus, was a Supernova. I had the big keyboard and stuff. This remind me of that because of the complexity and the chunkiness of the sound. So I'm thinking simple, something very to start at least. So for the bass, I tend to be, like I said, extremely simple. Not simple. I don't want to be simple. I want to be extremely simple. It has to be just, I wouldn't say basic, but wait a second. Oh, this. So this here. Oh, I have a key missing here. It would be nice to be. Something happened with the preset too, I guess. Somehow. And now, what is happening? Okay. Whoa! That is not good, say the least. Okay, I'm gonna go, I think it was here. So while we're in Silent, I don't know, not too sure. I'm so used to use. Yeah, exactly. I'm so used to use Alchemy now that using Silence feels a bit odd, which is good. You have to change a little bit. You have to kick it up. Definitive. Where's those definitive collection? This one got some good stuff in the pads somewhere. should be somewhere around here. There's the Anjunadeep. As you can tell, we're gonna have some fun tonight. No, I'm just kidding. I mean, I'm not kidding, but you have to let the inspiration come. And I think a very simple little pattern like this would do very well. In the background. Set up track zoom. Keep on building some percussions here. Whoa. To me, tracks like that start, and then I know this feeling because as you can tell, I've done a lot of episodes before. Start like that, and then at some point you kind of hit a groove, or you hit a note, or there's something that just make the track, you know. So it's literally going a bit random, and then eventually really hitting the spot of what will be the track, and it hasn't happened yet, so see this here, into here, into here, and I'm gonna switch this to alchemy. So alchemy, actually, maybe I tried to do a straight organ because I wanted to go into an organ sound, but how about we just do an organ? lows in the mid lows. It creates this trippy. I would go into the synth and leave only. I would be able to am I? Yeah, I was on the wrong channel. No wonder why it wasn't doing anything. At this point, I could say that I like Better Alchemy than Silent now, but we're gonna keep on going with this. I'm gonna go pick up another bank, probably this, because there's there's some interesting sound in this one, so. I know what I'm missing, guys. I mean, really? Well, it's just, it has to create like a deep. I think I'm gonna create one that I'm gonna call Deep Tech, and I'm gonna leave it like in all of my projects. So, reverb, silververb, send, then set it to Grandiose, which is my preset. That is a big lead. Good until here. really. What is this? Not what I wanted at all. Here. That's not what I want. Okay, I want it to be a little bit strange. Like that. So what I am tempted to do now, because this bass, you know, was okay to start the track, but you never know where a session will take you. So what I'm gonna do is, I think, could be it. I think it'll be better if I bring it up. I'm gonna go to some pads. Give a bit more substance. FX lead key. I really like this key. simplest thing, but this reminds me of a pop song of I don't know, the 80s. I think it just sounds like something I know. You can always browse the pads too. I think this was pretty impressive. Yeah, I think that was it, guys. It's floaty. Let's expand the track a little bit. Those hi-hats are start to hit a little bit on my nerve. And, well, I like it at first. I want more structure, more snappy. This is episode 103, guys. I like this pad, but tempted to push it one step further, adding a step effect. What would be that would make this track? I'm tempted to think maybe I'm going to some keys. Boy, a bit lower. As you see, I like to use the default patches and hopefully work them out a little bit. I don't like this really. maybe. Let's say maybe this here, but this is a maybe. With some work, of course. First quantize. Now that you have this sleeve, which is definitely interesting, I'm gonna copy it to save it, and then we're gonna go browse a little bit. I think that was it, guys. It's a bit like kind of fantastic. It definitely is in the dramatic kind of style we talked about at first. So what's missing in that track? I feel a little bit more drums would help. This is so simple and it works so well. So every time that I do this, I want to remove it from the track, and then I'm like, no, listen. Just like instead of having a bass line there, a little pump, works perfect. Add to the groove very, very well. There's another tom low here. Bring it up. And for this one, I think I'll do a little bit last pop here, and maybe last pop here if it's working in the beat. I'm not sure. I think it will work better here. It's because it's like a heartbeat, like tu-tu, 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 tu-tu. That's nice. I like it. Okay, moving on. I think a little ride would also be appropriate in this track. So I'll quickly do this, up and there. In the background, just a support to the rest of the rhythm. And we have a lot of element now, so I think we're a little bit due for a remix, guys. Nice, even with just this. Also, the reverb is immense here, so which is cool. Hear this with the bass. Yeah, I'm tempted to add one more here, maybe. like better the first cut here instead of this one. Just one more hit. And then so I wanted to change the bass, but because of the strings are moving up there, I don't think I really need to. This I want to keep as just a vibey kind of part. In between the lead and the bass. Yeah. Okay. Good start. Let's see what else we got. We got some plucks here. Oh yeah, nice. Then we have the initial pad that we use actually for the bass. Got a little bit of an organ for the bottom part. And then our Anjunadeep pad, which actually we can really actually open here for fun, just to hear. Not so exciting really. Good. This is actually nice that it came down like that. So guys, that's gonna be it for episode 103 of the EDM sessions. I'm gonna put some more time onto this track, turn it as a template, upload it on our site, mikas.com, of course. And if you're still watching, you just earn yourself half price on anything you want in our store. Just use my name. My name is Mikas. I'm Mikas, and then you're gonna get half price your first order. And of course, the most important thing, may the sounds be with you guys.